Hi everybody, good evening. I hope you guys are doing well. It's Melanie here doing 58 hard rock blues for trumpets in 4th grade. Okay, we're going to start by counting it. Let's scan it. We are in our C scale or our concert B flat, and so we have no sharps or flats, and we're in 4/4 time, and it's allegro. This is a rock tune, so it's super cool and fun. This is one of my favorite 4th grade songs, so we are kind of jumping ahead on this one this year a little bit earlier. So yay, 4th graders. Okay, we're gonna clap it first. Here we go. Clapping and counting. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta ta ti ti ta ta. 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 Ti ti ta ta ta. Rest. Ta ta ta. Rest. Ta ta ti ti ta ta. Ta, and then you go back to the beginning. Okay? I'm not going to do the repeat just to save time on the video. Now we're going to sing and finger it. Ready? Here we go. This is my trumpet from this angle. So here we go. Starting on a D. There's our note. 1, 2. We sing it. And D, D, F, D, C, D. 2, 3. D, D, F, D, C, D. G, G, F, D, F, G. D, D, F, D, C, D. F, G, A, A. G, G, G. D, D, F, D, C, D. Rest. Beginning. Okay, then you go back to the beginning. All right, now I'm going to play it with my metronome. Here we go. I'm going to add my metronome now. Go a little bit slower. That's better. Here we go. I will play the whole song for you. I will take the repeat sign so you can hear the whole song, because when you record, you should use the repeat sign. 1, 2, ready? Back to beginning. Okay, awesome. Now I will play it for you, with the track from Essential Elements. Here we go. Ready, guys? love that song. That is one of my favorites. I hope you guys have a lot of fun learning it. Again, if you guys need any help, please email me, send me a Google Hangout, chat, let me know if you need an extra help. Write to Ben. We're here all the time for you. So please let us know. We're glad to help you out. Even if you're bored and you want an extra class, like an extra lesson, just for fun, to learn a new song, Star Wars, Jurassic Park, whatever you guys want to do. You write us, and we're glad to meet up with you and do a trumpet little class for you. Okay? Have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys next time.